Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This should be an interesting video because for once I'm going to show you a product that I know nothing about. So this product was sent to me by BANGGOOD. They were asking why I haven't reviewed a lot of BANGGOOD products lately, and that's just because I've been way too busy with other products and other activities, so I haven't reviewed much. So they said, you want to review something? Pick something. So all I did is I went down their list and I said, how about a car? Send me any brushless RC car you have that you think will be popular. So I left it up to them. Now, I don't know if this car is any good. I haven't even opened it. So I'm going to open the box right now. I'm going to discover this car the same way you're going to discover it. Here we go. So I do have a secondary camera over there, which should catch something here. I'll turn it sideways, open it this way. I can already tell that box will be the remote control. So let's take a look at that. Let me just put this down like this. And how do I open this? Well, let's do the kid on Christmas morning. Just tear everything apart. So in this box, I get, oh, that's interesting. If that's what I think it is. In this box, I get the remote. And down here it says open, which would normally be, yeah, it's the batteries. So it takes 4 AAA batteries. You can see it down there, which I will stick in a second. The remote looks pretty basic, nothing exciting. Yeah, it's got all the basic features, the trim controls, everything else on the top. You can see it there. So I thought this was a battery for the remote, but I was wrong. It's not. It's tools for the car. So you get the normal tools and clips for the car and some other stuff. I'll hold it down there. You can see it. And you get the battery charger. So that means they've included a battery in the car. So I'll hold it over here. There's a battery in the car that I can charge up. So, oh, it's an orange car. So it looks like a car that has a plastic film on it already. Plastic film for protection. You take it off and it gets very shiny. Right now it's not too bad. It's kind of dull. Oh, I got to put the stickers on. It's one of those. So if you get this for yourself or a kid, you guys can have fun putting stickers on it. And operating instructions right here. You need that. Not really. Unless you've never driven a car before. Back tires are large and the front tires are not as large. Oh, I made a mess of that. So anyways, here, I'll show you what I mean. See underneath? These are larger and squishier than these in the front. And it's got a little tail thing on the back like a drag racer. So is this a drag racer car? You know, I should have read the box. It says special, includes high output LED light kit. And it's the Pro model. So what are we even looking at here? So on the side it says this is the UD 1609 Pro in orange. So that's what they sent me. 1/16 scale drag battle top fuel. Duh, if I would have looked, I would have known it was drag. This is why on my channel, before I show any products, I research them and I try them out. This is the first time I'm doing it this way. So it's for your benefit to watch me become a total loser, not knowing what I'm doing. All right, so let's take out the body clips and we'll check out what's inside this thing. So body top coming off. Is it? Yes, it is. I thought it might be since there's headlights. There's a wire that goes in here to go to the headlights. So when I plug in the battery, we'll get these headlights working. So brushless motor, cooling fin on it, which is nice. This is the included battery. It looks like it's going to be a 2-cell battery. It has a JST connector down here. So if you buy other batteries on Amazon or whatever, just get them with a JST connector. ESC is down here. I have no idea what type of ESC that is. I can't see anything. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what the shocks are. The shocks actually look oil-filled. Check that out. They look like oil-filled shocks. See? They look like the real thing. Yeah, I think they are. So let's put some batteries in this baby and let's connect the battery here and we'll see what it does. So this is a ready to run vehicle pretty much. Everything's included out of the box except you have to supply your own AAA batteries and you'll need 4 of them. Put it in and we're all set to go. All right, so let's turn this on. We'll take the battery out in a second. Check it out. I'm pressing the ESC now. There we go. Proportional steering. That's what we like on these little cars. And of course, let's see if it's 4-wheel drive. Yes, all 4 wheels turn. All right, so whoa. Hey, there's tail lights on this. Check this out. See, I told you to be surprised. Oh, and the headlights work too. Wow, they're bright. Look at the headlights. ESP Plus, I don't know what that is. So it says, that thing I didn't understand what it was, ESP Plus, that's a gyro. There's a gyro in this car. You know what a gyro is? A gyro is what they put in the very expensive Traxxas and Arma vehicles so that the faster you go, it keeps the car going straight. So this has it. And you can adjust it there, just like on those vehicles, which is pretty decent. So in other words, when you're driving and it's bouncing around the pavement, it's not going to take off to the right or the left. It shouldn't. It should go straight. As long as your steering trim is correct, like mine looks like it's all crooked here. And like all little cars that come from China, they give you pages of buyable accessories. If you break any part, you can buy the part with the part number right here. Obviously you would buy it from UDIRC, these guys right here. That's where you would go to that website and buy the part, I would assume. All right, next thing to do is take off the plastic cover off of here. There's a dull cover on it. Pull that off, it's gonna get really shiny. Then I'm gonna put these stickers on and I'll show you what that looks like with the stickers. So here it is, the plastic's been removed. I've applied the stickers and I just took a guess at where all the stickers go. I have no idea where they're supposed to go because there were no instructions on where to put the stickers, but I think it looks pretty cool. Next thing I'm going to show you really quick is the battery. There's the battery, and it does have a JST connector in case you want to buy more of these batteries on Amazon. So the next thing to do is charge up the battery and then take the car out for a run, and that's what you'll see next. Here we go. Now that we're about to take it for a run, I did a bit more research and I discovered a few things. One is that it does have metal gears. It also has metal bearings in the wheels, which is really good, you know, for the price point on this. Of course, it's brushless, and this remote gets you about 60 meters of range. Also, the headlights in the front, I was trying to change them and I couldn't at home because I wasn't pressing this button. This is actually a button right at the very back. That's channel 3, so you press that and you can change the headlight. Let's go take it for a run right now, see how it does. Okay, sun's shining at me. I do have the headlights on. Let's put it down for the first run. I've got it in speed number 1. Well, that seems fast for speed number 1. Did I goof up something? It does say it's a drift car, and it does seem to be drifting all over the place. Okay, so let's just see straight. Yep, that goes straight. So that's speed number 1. I'll bring it over there, and we'll come back at me. Speed number 1. All right, now we'll try speed number 2. Flick the switch. Here we go. That's faster. There we go. Speed number 2. Let's try speed number 3. There we go. This is insanity speed. Let's try this. Well, it goes. Brakes work. It stays straight too, which is pretty amazing with that gyro. Speed number 3. There we go. It's fast. I don't think it's anything fast like over 30 miles an hour, but you know, for the price point, 30 miles an hour is pretty good. I'll stick a GPS on top. I've got a GPS right here, and if I put it on correctly, we'll see what the speed is. So let's go. I've got it in speed number 3. Okay, top speed, speed run. There we go. Going, and I'll put the brakes on before it hits the wall, and then bring it on back. Coming back. Oh, almost hit the tire of my Jeep. Brakes are really good on this. It's a good thing too, because when it's going straight, it goes straight as an arrow. There we go. Don't know if you can see that on there. It says 41 kilometers per hour was the peak speed right there. So I'll put what that is in miles per hour below this video. So this is supposed to be part drift car. So let me try it this way. See if I can go around this little course I made. It's nice and slow, just doing an oval. It's not bad. I'm in first speed and I'm not giving it full gas. I'm about to give it full gas in first speed. It's very fast, but look at this. There's your driftiness. It says it's a drift car. So I guess that's drifting everywhere. That's full speed. That's almost uncontrollable. Just toasted the pylon and toasted that one too. And that was speed number 1. Could you imagine if I did that in speed 2 or 3? That would be crazy. All right, so what did I discover driving this around? Well, I discovered that it does not do wheelies. I discovered that it does go over 40 kilometers an hour. It does drive very straight. And if you play with the steering while it's driving straight, it will drift and flip over, especially in speed number 3. I do like the fact that it has 3 speeds, because then if you have kids, you would say, put it on speed number 1. And for those experienced, put on the speed number 3. And I like the lights, you know, you can change them around. So all in all, not a bad car if you're into just getting a car for your kids. I would not recommend this for an adult. If you're an adult, get yourself a Traxxas or an Arma vehicle, but if you're getting something for your kids, this might be the thing to get, because they can bash it and crash it and smash it and do all that good stuff. All right, guys, I'm going to put links below to where this is on the BANGGOOD website. If there's a discount coupon, it'll be below as well, so go check it out. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in future videos with many more reviews. Until then, I say bye!